Want to find out why working on your website is an absolute time suck? Stay tuned. Question is, of course, about battling overwhelm, but really what it comes down to is where should I be putting my time and how can I be more strategic? And so let's just say you're starting out, and I've seen this in the Maximize Your Clinic Next Level program, or I even just got off a strategy call with someone who's just starting out in their nutrition practice. And they're sort of like, well, I would need to make a new website because my website needs to be updated. I want to do all these blogs, but I haven't created a schedule to do blogs. And all of these other what I like to call kind of, glitter, or it makes your business look shinier, but really it's not impacting what you need to be accomplishing. And if your goal, if what you need right now in your business is to get new leads, then you shouldn't be spending your time and effort on building a website. There are a lot of successful businesses that run strictly through social media and book people in off of PMs and DMs. There are a number of people that all they have is a single landing page that has basically either book a visit with me or book a call with me. And you could absolutely do something like that. There are a lot of businesses that just don't have a website at all, and yet website development and even just maintaining it, and God, like I cannot tell you how many times I've wanted to just shut my websites down because it is so expensive and it's an ongoing expense, and then you have to pay for the upgrades, and then it upgrades on its own and you lose links and all these other things. Websites can sometimes be a great project, and while it does account and add to the authenticity of you and your brand, I don't believe that it is a necessity. So don't get distracted by the glittery, fancy things in your business. So another very common one is, well, I want to start writing blogs. Blog posting, YouTube video posting, all of those things is part of the long game. Yes, they do require priority, and yes, they should be done if that is a way that you want to start marketing yourself, but you're not really going to see the return on that investment for at least 12 months. So